ideal mother. I am a girl with all the characteristic of my ideal mother. One stormy day, I asked my mother to go to the city. Mother, can I go to the city? What? You will go to the city? Why you not stay home and study your lesson? But mother, I don't want to disappoint my friends. They are waiting me outside. Then, my sister closed the door. What do you mean by closing the door? Are you blocking my way? I got her neck and push her on the floor. Then, I go to the city. My sister approached me and whispered, "Sister,